Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is all about our Pondicherry trip. This is our first visit to Pondicherry, and in day 1 we visited the Promenade beach for sunrise. We reached there at exactly 7 in the morning. As you can see, the beach is very calm and the weather is soothing. As it was a non-holiday season, there is less crowd and the experience was so good. And suddenly it started to rain all over. As you can see how the rain has begun. After some time the sun came out and we saw the beautiful sunrise at the beach. The beach looked so beautiful with the sun rays on it. We started to our next destination on the rented scooty. This scooty we had rented at the cost of 350 rupees per day, exclusive of the fuel. We visited the Sacred Heart of Basilica Church, which is situated approximately at a distance of 1 kilometer from the Promenade beach and 2.5 kilometers from the Pondicherry bus station. It is one of the most beautiful Catholic churches of Pondicherry. It showcases the Gothic architecture. Occasions such as New Year, Christmas evening, Easter Day are celebrated at the church in a grand manner. The next destination on our list was Clooney Art Embroidery Society. It is a great initiative founded by a local convent to give work opportunity to the women in the community. This place has its own in-house manufacturing facility that produces beautiful tablecloths, cushion covers, bedspreads, bath sets, pillowcases, kerchiefs and various varieties of products. You may find the cost a bit expensive, but the quality of the work you get here justifies the price, and you can come over here and purchase a product of your choice directly from here. Next, we started on our bike to Auroville. Auroville is an experimental society located at a distance of 15 kilometers from the Pondicherry town. This is the information center where the people over here shows us the purpose and how this Matri Mandir was built in both video and picture format. The purpose of Auroville is to realize human units. It wants to be a universal town where men and women of all countries are able to live in peace and progressive harmony above all creeds, politics and all. On our exit to Auroville, we find some of the local shops at the Auroville, and here you can find products like candles, showpieces, art crafts, macrame art, lighting pieces, decoration pieces here, and the prices are quite reasonable. You can do shopping from here. We visited back to Pondicherry town and explored some of the local shops by the side of the Promenade beach and did some shopping. As you can see some of the shops here, and you can find various products here. After that we went to some of the cafes in White Town and had some amazing food. This is how we spent our day 1, and it is the end of day 1, and we spent our day 1 end by sitting by the beach and enjoying the weather over there. This is the day 2 of our visit to Pondicherry. We visited the famous White Town, which is known for the French colonial era villas lining its leafy streets. You can see buildings in bright yellow and white color which resembles the French culture. The White Town is also known as French Colony and French Quarter. You can click beautiful pictures here, and we did click some amazing pictures over here, and they are really beautiful. Next, on our way, we visited a local shop to had some food and had some amazing dosa Paradise Beach is located at a distance of 12 kilometers from the Pondicherry town. This beach is full of food, sports, activities, water activities and so much fun. If you want to do some kind of adventure activities or water sports, then you must visit the Paradise Beach. Here you can do activities like horse riding, ATV bike riding, archery, paintball, and here there are water activities that include boat ride, banana ride, donut ride and various kinds of games available at the Paradise Beach. On our way back to Pondicherry town from Paradise Beach, we had some amazing lunch which includes a biryani, fish fry and lemon juice. Then we visited the famous Sunday Pondi Bazaar. This shopping street is spread for over 2 to 3 kilometers of area and has various shops and stalls. You can bargain at your best and find the best out of the best products from here. The products ranging from clothes, spices, bags, food, toys, jewelry, home essentials, travel bags, footwear, eatables, handbags, caps and books, whatnot. You can find most of your products here. Next on, we went to the coffee shop called the Indian Coffee House near the Pondi Bazaar to have some coffee and vada. This place gives you vibes full of authentic and the coffee is so amazing. Before we returned from Pondicherry, we went to the beach and did some more shopping. And we also tried one of a kind ice cream from the outlet named GMT by the beach. Trip to Pondicherry ends here. I hope you guys like this video. If yes, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube.